And so we've come in out of the big river and it's starting to get narrower now. We still see no wildlife. We see lots of nests in the trees, but like nothing. No sign of life. No peoples. No animals. Yet. But finally, we see a sign of life on the riverbanks. Wild horses. Maybe not very wild, but definitely horses. And trees with nests. Every corner we turn, it's starting to narrow up a bit. It's nicer. So we got some company. That's a big boat coming up here. I'm as close to the bank as I can get. Getting plenty of water. It's a big one. So he's gone, which is a good thing because my spaghetti has just arrived. Lunch. Benny lunch. Pretty muddy. Oh, debris in it as well. Branches. It's actually wider up here now again. We're still going upriver. We're between buoys at the moment, so there's not a lot happening. The water is muddy. You see a lot of small branches. The odd big branch actually, but most of them are kind of caught in by the side, so you can see the odd small thing going past up. No big deal. And we've got instructions. We're at the top of the river. We're going to meet a lock. We've got to be there by 7 o'clock. We're going to try and get through. We had a grand night, really. I mean, at anchor, I never really relax all that much, 100%. So I probably woke every hour or so, just have a quick look at my phone at the very least, just to make sure we hadn't moved. Having an anchor alarm set, so obviously that never went off on. It was very peaceful down there. Bonanza, the anchorage is brilliant. It was like glass. We swung around, obviously with the tide, but never moved an inch. The holding was great. Really liked it. Rancheros, Clint. Rancheros eastwards. Correo del Rio. The first of two small towns as you approach Seville. By car it says it's 12 kilometers from Seville. So we're nearly there. This place even has a football ground. Got its own pitch and all. Little river ferry.
Very high, yeah, the tide is probably low, so here we are now at this lock.
Yeah, that's not a waiting lock.
No, we have until 7 o'clock, and what time is it now? About 4 o'clock?
Yeah, 4:10. Okay, well, we've arrived at this lock. This is the only lock of its type in Spain, and they're scheduled to open it tonight at 7. We tried hailing them there on channel 12, but there's no answer. Anyway, we spoke to the marina earlier and they told us 7 o'clock. Make sure not to be late. So we're here. We're not late. It's only 4:30. So we're going to sit in the sun for a while.
Right, we're going through. Are you nervous?
No.
I am. Oh.
The intrepid explorers were asked if they would like to get locked this evening, and we said, of course, yes. We weren't really expecting this, though. This monstrosity of a lock. It's huge. We were just saying, we just came through that lock, and I hate arriving to anywhere in the dark, especially when it's your first time coming in. But this might be just spectacular because it's Seville, and I have a feeling it's going to be well lit. Our next job here is to get up under the city bridge, which is a huge air clearance, and then the next bridge opens, but not until 10 o'clock. But somewhere along the left hand bank as we go, there are pontoons that you can wait on. So we're going to go look for those in the dark. We're just hoping they might be lit as well. Jeremy reckons we're going to hit this bridge. Well, if we do, I'll have to eat crow, but I can't see it happening. That bridge is massive.
Oh, sweet mother of God. Jesus Christ.
And we're under with what? How much to spare, Geraldine? About half a mast again, girl. It is spooky though. That is very spooky. So over there in that dark line of trees, there are pontoons that you can tie off to while you're waiting for that bridge, which is way up there in front, to open at 10 o'clock. Looks a bit like Tower Bridge, doesn't it, with the two towers?
Mm.
So yeah, so we're going to go up along and see how close we can get. Now there's something happening. They've stopped the traffic. So we're going to assume that the bridge is going to open next.
Here we go. Here's the bridge opening for us, finally. Looks like we're the only ones coming through. Yeah, it's very cool. Well, we made it. Right into Seville. We have to wait for the solid green, yeah. So much for their light system. Gracias. Buenas noches. Here we are. The sailor is over there waiting for us. The marinero. Whew.
This is our berth in Seville. not bad. City's right there. It's the bridge we came in through last night. When she finally opened for us at 10. Jesus, that was a disaster. We arrived to that bridge last night at 7 o'clock because the lock that leads you up the river opens at 7. We got through at 7. It's like 20 minutes to the bridge, and then you have to wait until 10 o'clock for the bridge to open. So like, to get to this marina, you are fucking around for hours. Oh well, it's not the end of the world, but not great, is it? That's our bridge that we came up under.